nag-BSMT ako eh. Kasi pangarap ko maging kapitan ng barko. Kaya nag-enroll ako sa PMI, Philippine Maritime Institute. Kaya gusto ko kasi maging kapitan ng barko. Yan ang pangarap ko nung araw. Kaya gusto ko ang Coast Guard. Sinuwerte ako. Nagtotongits ako nung araw. Nakita ko sa patay. Ayun, nakapag-artista ako. Other than that, gusto ko talaga maging kapitan ng barko. To special guest at lahat ng mga hindi binati, binabati ko po kayong lahat na magandang umaga. Special mention lang o shout out yung ating mga Estero Rangers. Masaya ako sa inyo dahil through DNR and the entire DNR family giving you opportunity to work, especially nowadays. Ang hirap magkaroon ng trabaho ngayon. Napakahirap ng buhay. But I'm happy for you. Now, it is our responsibility to keep up and keep it clean yung ating mga estero o bahagi-bahagi ng tubig sa lungsod ng Maynila at of course ang Manila Bay. I'm not here to welcome, I'm not here to sign a MOA. I am here to our international partners, the international community, especially to the people of Korea, to our national leadership, Secretary Libani, Secretary Mitch Kuna, at sa lahat sa inyo. I, as Mayor of Manila, on behalf of the people of Manila, 2 million of them nighttime and 3 million of them daytime, would like to thank each and every one of you. Thank you very much for helping us clean Manila Bay. It's a very challenging task for the city of Manila, doing it alone. Without you, we will never be successful following the directives of the Supreme Court under the Mandanas ruling. And Manila, with regard to Metro Manila alone, Manila has the largest coverage of Manila Bay in terms of shoreline or coastal area with regard to Metro Manila. At ang Manila rin ang tagasalok ng tubig galing sa eastern board or eastern part of Metro or Luzon. Pagdating ng tubig galing sa bundok, pababa ng Marikina at iba pang bayan, kami ang sasalok dito sa Maynila. May dala pa yung basura. Kaya special mention, Estero Rangers natin sa DNR at City of Manila. Kaya po muli to Korea, to the national government and agencies, ay talaga pong taus-puso po ang aming pasasalamat. Malaking bagay po. Now, in return of all your effort and cooperation, in our own legal way as a city government, pumanatag kayo. Gagampanan namin ang tungkulin namin mapanatili ang mga bahagi na tubig na within our territorial jurisdiction. Whether canal, ilog, river, and all others, and particularly itong Manila Bay, ay tutup din naman namin bilang sukli sa effort ninyo. Mag-double time din kami bilang pamahalaan ng lungsod ng Manila na maging malinis ang ating Manila Bay. Muli, congratulations, Secretary Mitch Kuna and FOICA. Thank you very much. Magandang araw at pagpalain nawa kayo ng FOICA.